guys, it's me, the Fun Cat Queen here. Today, Squish's day 16, and I've been filming this video, this is like the 5th time of me filming this video, because I keep forgetting brands. But anyway, let's get into the video. Fat Pawpaw, Cutie Creative, Sanrio, Aridi, Senex, Cassidy Ann, Silly Squishies, Ariaki, Creamy Candy and Punimaro, Disney, Fat Pawpaw, Daydream, Seiki Alan, Wow, which is W-O-O-W, Holy, Flampo, and iBloom. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified to upload a brand new video. And as always, bye kitty fans.